What is it? What'd you do?
Yo.
Ooh.
I hate it.
You spit out the blood. Are you okay? Are you, Madeline? You lost your tooth, baby. Madeline, can you believe it? Are you scared? Oh, honey. Honey, what's the matter? What's the matter? Such a big girl. Here's some water,
Madeline,
buddy.
can you believe it came out? Now, guess who's gonna come tonight? Tooth Fairy.
Are you excited about the Tooth Fairy? You want to spit it? Rinse and spit, baby. Let me hold your tooth. Rinse and spit. Hey, should we call Daddy and tell him? Okay, we'll call Daddy and tell him.